Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get your first Rebirth in Steel a Brainrot. To begin, understand that Rebirth is a core mechanic designed to reset your current progress, including all your cash and Brainrots. In exchange, you gain powerful, permanent upgrades that are essential for advancing in the game. This process is the sole method for truly enhancing your base level and unlocking greater earning potential. Before you can Rebirth, you must meet specific requirements. For your very first Rebirth, you will need to accumulate 1 million in-game cash. Additionally, you must acquire 2 particular Brainrots, a Trippy Troppy and a Tong Tong Sahur. These items are crucial and must be present in your inventory when you decide to perform the Rebirth. Once you have gathered the necessary 1 million cash and the 2 specific Brainrots, you are ready to perform the Rebirth. Navigate to the left side of your screen and look for the Rebirth button, often represented by a rotating arrows icon. Click this button to initiate the process. Remember, all your current cash and Brainrots will be reset upon completion. After successfully completing your first Rebirth, you will immediately notice significant benefits. You will receive a permanent cash multiplier, allowing you to earn money much faster and gain additional base slots. Furthermore, you will unlock new items such as the bee launcher, gravity coil, and iron slap, along with a 10-second lock base feature. These upgrades will greatly accelerate your future progress.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.